to do a recap of what happened throughout the evening of yesterday, because now is a new day. So how are we all doing? I hope everybody is okay. So this late hour, we are going to do the same thing similar thing that we did yesterday, to go through all the informations and what played out, towards evening time. Excuse me, let me clean this lens. I hope it is going to be all right now. Okay. So guys, as you join, don't forget to like the video, comment, and tell me where you're watching from. It is very, very necessary you do so. So let's see how this one will be. I know some of you may be tired, some of you may not feel like join us, but no matter how many of us that are available, we are going to do this. Yes, PM shared a lot of pictures of Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran resistance fighters. Even though most of us, no matter what PM do, you still have some people that are criticizing, people that are not happy, people that are jealous, people that want to drag him down, people that want to be like him, but they will not come out openly to say that. So we are going to check some of those pictures as well. All right, and I think let's start with that picture. I think that's the best thing to do. Now let's start with the pictures. Okay, some of them are videos, but we are going to go through it. As you can see here, these are the things that people wish the African government bad, who don't want to see anything good from them. These are some of the things that they don't like to see. Okay, and when you try to praise PM or celebrate the achievement, they will start calling you names. All right, so that is number one. We are going straight to another one, and I just want to quickly share the picture before we can now talk about Master Prophet and his video. We are going to touch those ones as well. So here is another one. This is another picture. These are things that Biafran really want to know and to see. Like I always say, PM don't wait for you to request. So as the liberation is moving forward, he will be updating you by telling you what is going on and what you need to see. Some may say, okay, how many are there? Is it just only few people? Don't worry. Just the one they showed you will take. All right. And the reason is because you must not know everything. This is the one that is due for public consumption. Diana said, oh, before then I have Erin. Erin said, Biafran first, thumbs up and share. Yeah, thank you, my sister. Diana said, good morning, Kai report, and every genuine Biafran freedom fighters that knows what freedom means in people's life. You're always on point. You're always on point. So these are the pictures that Zama don't want to. They're not happy with it. Another one. Oh wow, this one is. I love this one, to be honest. Okay, this is another picture of the day. BLA photo of the day. That's what PM said here. You can see direct from his S handle. And the Photoshop. Everything that happened is Photoshop. Look at it. Okay, look at it. And we are going to move to another one as well. Just hold on. We'll be touching it. So I just want to share the picture and in some case video like this one. Now you are seeing this one here is a video. So let's listen to it. I hope the background is not something that is going to bring problem, but let's see. Okay, just a short video. No, Jojo is there's no audio there. Armstrong, I agree with you, my brother. The sound, everything is open, but they are not saying anything. So it's more or less like it doesn't have anything, any sound, whatever. So this is just the way it is. They are not saying anything. They just want to show you what they're doing and all that. Okay. I don't know if the camera is capturing it properly. I don't know. Let's manage it the way it is. And I, the only thing that we need to see here is that, or something that you need to understand from this video is people are doing what they need to do. You understand? So none of them are underground, as you can see. None of them are. They are not underground. They are not. They are not in contact with politicians. They know what they want. That's what it means. Okay. Let's see. This video, this is 5 minutes 60 seconds. Okay, and you have played 340. We have played 340. So few minutes and seconds to go. No, Owen Palace, you did not come late. We are only 8 minutes in the program, going to 9 minutes. You did not come late. We still have more minutes to go. We still have a lot of time to spend together tonight. So just like the video, just like, because I want people that are shouting, just let them be seeing this kind of thing. Okay, actually, we are not really moved. Like, it's not a surprise. PM have done mighty things than this, but this is just an update. Not an update. Okay, that is the end of this particular one. Now, this is another picture. This is another picture. He shared a lot of pictures of men, pastors on ground, but not underground, on ground. So they are not under. They are not sewage rats. These are real men. Okay, with Bibles and everything to preach. Freeman, I see you. I see you. Good morning to you. We move to this one. We have seen this one already. There's another one. This is the same video that we just watched, I think. Yeah, it's the same video, so there's no point repeating it. And this is another picture, as you can see here. This is not a video, it's a picture. Okay, so this is where it ends. The updates on the pictures of men on ground that the PM just decided to share with us. So this is something that you worked for as a Biafran. This is something that you contribute money. More are there, so you don't need to see many things, everything rather. So they will just show you one that you need to see. And this is the year of declaration. Master Prophet says something. Men saying, who say men no there? Now Mumu they talk am now. Now Mumu say men no there. Some even call them. What is the name of what is the word that is the one of the USC used? I laughed. Jealousy is a very big deal. If you don't have jealousy, you don't know what God have done for you. To be honest with you, apart from this freedom fighting and freedom fighter and all that, and you want to get your freedom, you want to achieve for Biafra and all that. Normally, if you're a jealous person, you need deliverance. It's one of the things. It's one of the bad habit that can buy anybody. All right. So Biafrans are getting the courage and trust and is second to none. To be honest with you, it's second to none. I just watch listen to this our sister what she have to say.
Tell that commissioner of police that says if killing is what it will take to protect Anambra State, so be it. They think they will come to Southeast to ransack us the way they ransack in Benue State, or the way they ransack in sack people in their community in Plateau State. Shaving at them, they die, they buy what. If he have the balls, let him bring those he is a slave. Those is Fulani terrorists and Boko Haram terrorists. They are dying woto in Southeast. His co-worker has resigned because of the woto he's seeing in Anambra, he's seeing in Southeast. Now they brought another one. They laugh you in Latin. Bring them. The game is on. Our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, they laugh at all. The woto is too much. If you not say you gather boss, carry those your terrorists, come to Anambra State. If all of them don't buy finish there, people not say we know be Southeasterners. If killing, how many have you killed in Sapa to protest, to chase Boko Haram? Those places, are they not Nigeria? Yeah?
They are, my sister.
How
Ask them.
many terrorists have you killed in Benue to protect the citizen?
Ask them.
You see, you want to come and buy everybody. It will not happen. This is not 1967.
Obina Bros, I greet you.
Now you people change whatever you like because of the whole world that was supporting you. Now everybody's eyes is open.
Wide open.
Never, and it will never happen again. Your plans in Nigeria might work for the people that is working for, but for us, it will not work for us again. You will not beat a child and tell us not to cry. We have stand up on our feet to protect ourselves.
One thing I love about this video of this sister is you can see the courage, you can see the seriousness, you can see the anger and pain in her face. She knows, because once you know the right thing, once you know that this is the right thing to do, the fear and the laziness or weakness will vanish. Do you understand? I love it, to be honest with you. I really love it. So the message is getting to many people, and let's listen to another person. This one is not about advice. So we are getting to.
Any Igbo man again that build house, oh no, no one Igbo. Tell them to go and Lagos again. Oh no, don't want it don't make it was on a pair 24. Upon all the houses where Tinubu and the government of Lagos State, they demolish, collect it back from owner. But I still have mind to buy land. And the evidence is there that this thing they are planning it. Since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, him and the governor of Lagos State, collecting all the property that he was bought in Lagos, and all of you are keeping silent. Why would I keep silent? If you talk, they will arrest you. If you talk, they will arrest you. If you talk, they will try to buy you. Wicked country. If you are an Igbo man and you can buy land again in Lagos, in fact, it don't mean Piotr. It don't mean Piotr again. What kind of one Nigeria is this? And what is going on in this country called Nigeria?
The message is hitting, it's penetrating. I don't, you see, I just played and move on, right? Because I don't think we need to, I don't think we need to say much about it. We are getting to the video of what is name, Master Prophets. It's not, the video is not special, but that's something that I want to say under the video because of what he involved PM and Master Namodekan and Chike Dozem.
China my God na ebe ya God na wheat ya na onye mgbu anụwa ebe China na-eti ihe tikapịa anya na onye mgbu ebe China na-eti ihe amapụ ya my God n'anya na ebe ya God na wheat ya.
This is Asare Dokobo in China. I don't know what he's doing in China, to be honest with you. Yeah. That is the evangelist Ebube Joseph. Well done. That is evangelist Ebube Joseph. Well done. You mean the guy that is talking? Is that his name? Diana, I think you are referring to the guy that telling people not to buy property in Lagos anymore. Freeman says very good one. Okay. Who again? Okay, that's all. So this our brother want to made a video about about Methuselah's video that we have played here many times. So I don't need to bring that video up, but just hear what this our brother said.
No, let me just go straight to the point. I want to go on a platform here. I'm going to claim that I'm fighting for Biafra for almost more than 13 years. When we are still under our leader, Mazen and the car. So I do go. Joy had to show that program here a few days ago. Joy has said now one every day gave by your camera and I condemn Musa, but I condemn Musa. I do say the person. Joy la program here. Joy can edit you as to restore Biafra. The Coco will be born here where say that the US are not doing anything to stop Biafra. I know what awareness. I'm going to declare what the US are wise. No one. Referendum for how many years? Man can think we need referendum. I was quite a flag. Flag. We need referendum. Referendum now is on their table. All over the world, Biafrans are voting in millions. Idiot can create awareness. One, the global pattern no campaign. All the enemies of Biafra, they are heading towards the sea. So never got down the meaning of that statement. But the Frankie Guaza, one, I got that. So we keeping on. These are the days of Noah. We are in the days of Noah now. But no one named Kiana, the Manachi Orchid, Sinan one the Kununyara, Nona Oba.
Wait. Freeman said that DOS has suspended him because of that video. You know, everybody want to be leader, just like as I am now, because I am broadcasting. Then somebody will ask me, deep question about that's supposed a question that's supposed to go to leaders in Biafran government. I will not, because I have mic, right? I can now answer everything. I will start giving an answer. My brother, I will answer the one. If you ask me that kind of maybe question that I know that is beyond, I will tell you how to channel it to government, because we have prime minister, we have cabinet, they are the one that will tell you what you need to know. If it's not the most they answer you, but at least you will have an idea of what they want to do. You don't just because you have a platform, you think you know everything. Even if you know it, there's some question that is best meant for people in the leadership position of the struggle. You don't just answer like that question. But to be honest with you, the answer that he gave to that guy is just perfect. He himself summarized the activities of DOS. And the reason why DOS must be angry, they are angry with him, is because of the backlash. People are now using that to make more, just to validate what people have been saying. And the other video where I think Biafran channel, one of them were saying that those people that are telling you that they are on the ground, that actually they are cowards, that they are scared, which is true. Another gospel. They laugh. We said never trust Asari Dokobo. Maybe he is playing prank. Sitting on wheelchair means he cannot walk. No, he's not playing pranks. It has been long now. This is not the first time Asari have been on wheelchair for a very long time. So forget about sometimes you see him jumping and doing that. That's if he regain his strength, he will start bragging again. But I think for past 2-3 months now, he's unable to stand on his own. He's always on wheelchair. Freeman said exactly they all should learn from you guys. I don't understand what you mean, Freeman. I don't understand. You mean DUSM media warriors should learn from us? Is that what you mean? I don't know. Just if that's what you mean, it's okay. But you can't compare people that are broadcasting, agitating, even some of us that are not broadcasting under government. You can't compare us with them. Those ones are not, their brain, their conscience, their strength, everything is under control. Even when they know what to say, or that they know that this thing they're saying is wrong, they have no choice, because they have sold their hands in that. Just like when if you go to native doctor to bring okite, they will give instructions, isn't it? And you dare not mess up with it, unless you are the purpose of the okite will never come. That's just it. Despite all the deadly things that you sow your hand in to just to make okite work, you must obey the rules as well. So that's what I'm doing.
So if you are Biafra, don't take it now. Follow the instruction PM for you to be safe.
Period.
Because it may look stupid in the eyes of Ndef Leif and Biafran Jazz, but children of God are going home.
That is it. That is message from our brother, one of us. Okay. Now, people, sometimes when people say that everybody is agitating in one way or another, I agree. But the problem is that your agitation and mine could be different. Now, listen to this lady. She's just coming back from Nigeria. I think she's residing in Austria.
So guys, finally, I don't reach home. This is where I call you, not that place. You see that Niger? That place will be where person will stay. You see this country, Austria, and the Austrian cities. Then Nigeria are my best. Nigeria to go there to visit. I thank God for safe journey. As if nothing happened to me, I stayed and come back. So guys, finally, I don't reach home. This is where I called home, not that place. You see that Niger? That place is where person stays. You see this country Austria and the Austrian cities. Then Nigeria are my best. Nigeria to go there to visit. I thank God for safe journey. As if nothing happened to me, I stayed and come back. Nigeria, I suffer for light, water, transportation, and the humans, everything in that country, they are just so mean, wicked, and then nothing to write home about. That country has messed up. They need to fix it. Because I even try to see as people hear me for us to do better. But everybody just so people are just so greedy. Okay, make people their own is worse, transportation people, their own is worse. Never people. They will all my life. Charge me 20,000. I will fix it. After 1 week, the light will spoil again. They will charge you another 20,000. Which kind of country be that? Then you can't reach airports. Airport, before you go enter flight, you will see one checkpoint. They will place one of your bag. If you don't drop, they will say, oh yeah, drop something. If you drop something, they will say, oh yeah, your bag go there here. Then so you go, and if you give them 2,000, they will say, no, it's too small. They will be telling you, bring from 10,000. They will begin the bargain for them with 5,000. You don't carry anything back, nothing. You don't check your bag. Now for you to go there, but maybe they see small ube or small coconut inside your bag. They will want scissor. Then you have to pay before they will be able to release that your coconut. Why? They know that's something that you want to eat. They want to seize it and they want to collect money. They will charge you one piece of coconut. Maybe you give them 5,000 like before they will allow you to go. But all those kind of things, you can never see all those kind of things as well. How many checkpoints I counted before I did enter flight? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After I don't check back in at the counter. I am so happy I'm back home. See, every day I don't pack load, they go back. Bye bye Nigeria. Hey, I said look on bye bye you.
So you can hear what she said. That country is just to visit. That this is where she called home. Eyewitness. Um, Listen, you not kill me with laugh. To be honest with you, say Achebe is the Achebe is the only one I know that will end up as a lonely freedom fighter. Achebe was a kind of twerking for Biafran government in exile, but some Biafrans don't even give him a chance. I watched some of it. I laughed. You guys, people know if Biafran hate you, before you prove them otherwise, you must have to work hard. And then some people were there calling him, "Oh, before you come back, no, this your tactics will not work. Oh. You have to bring back people that you buy because of your propaganda and all that." Oh my goodness, dear friends. So that is it for this one. Now listen to this one as well.
We're the second highest in the world, by the way, after Afghanistan. Well, let's take a look at statistics of the top 9 countries of those.
Hold on.
The recent study by Statiset revealed data about the League of Praying Nations, which showed that 95% of Nigerians say that they pray daily. We're the second highest in the world, by the way, after Afghanistan. Well, let's take a look at the statistics of the top 9 countries of those who pray.
What is going on? Okay, just hold on.
The recent study by Statiset revealed data about the League of Praying Nations, which showed that 95% of Nigerians say that they pray daily. We're the second highest in the world, by the way, after Afghanistan. Well, let's take a look at the statistics of the top 9 countries of those who pray daily. Let's look at that. Here, look at that. Number 1 is Afghanistan. Number 2 is Nigeria, 95%. Then we have Algeria at 88%, Senegal at 88%, Djibouti at 87%, Iran 87%, Iraq 87%, Niger 87%, Indonesia. Then bottom 9, which is China at number. China. Can we pull up the other graph? Because I want to do another type of comparison. This one is prayer versus terrorism. Again, Afghanistan tops that list. And then there's another chart, if you can pull that up. Prayer versus corruption rank. Again, Nigeria is number 2. I mean, what does this say about our nation?
There's a lot of issues there, and it boils down to the fact that prayer alone is not the answer or solution. It is not the fault of churches, it is not the fault of anybody. If you fail to do the right thing, morals is more important. It is good to pray, but you can't just say that all you want to do is just pray.
Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Many things is going on in Nigeria. The video, I wanted to share this video, but it's not complete. I have searched to get a complete video of this one that I would have loved to share with us. But let me just tell you what happened here. Somebody want to pay money to his pastor, maybe tithe or offering or something like that, and he wanted to send 100,000 naira. Then he mistakenly sent 1 million. Do you know that pastor refused to refund that the 900? He said that that 1 million is spiritual, that God, that is God made it so. He knows the person that transferred the money. The person knows that he is one send the money. Pastor did not deny that he did not receive this money. Then he changed this problem, the mistake of a church member, to become something like a kind of miracle, that God, you give him that money miraculously, you understand? So the man asking for refundment is a sin. The man now decided to go to his house with the police. Let me just share with you, then we can now move on. Because why I would have loved to know the details, how it ended and everything.
But police officer from state side, please, can we go into your house?
Pastor, yes. You remember last time you came here? You remember Cruz's family or Cruz TV? Yes. I brought them here because of the money.
See,
taking the
hold
transfer.
on. See this pastor's body language. You see, this is the pastor here. This is the victim is here. Want to pay probably tithe or something like that, 100,000 naira. He mistakenly add more zero, and the money will become 1 million. The guy wired this money to this man's account, and the man decided to baptize that money. That the money is that he demanded is not a mistake. Then the guy did not make mistake. That money is actually from God. That God made it to be so. God made this man to make mistake to send 1 million instead of 100,000. Therefore, he cannot refund it back, even though the person that said it is now telling him, look, I want to send this amount, I mistakenly type more zero. You understand? And it become an issue. He refused.
Into your account, I'm supposed to transfer 100,000 and then mistakenly transferred 1 million naira. And since then, I've been asking you to refund me the 900,000. And you keep on telling me, go to God and collect some money. It's a spiritual matter, it's a spiritual that. Now I brought Google Cruise, the online.
Oh, he even told the guy to go to court and collect it. That he's ready for problem. Decided
and instructed me and even the Google Cruise that we should take this matter legally. Now, it's not an embarrassment. I have informed the police. I have informed the police.
So you see, it has ended. That he said I have involved the police, but I would love to see the complete video of this issue because it's quite interesting. You know, only in Nigeria, you know the pastor's account number. Pastor confirmed that this money entered his bank. He's not even denying it. Everything is clear, and you are telling pastor, see you, pastor, I made a mistake. Oh my goodness. Something that if another person do to this man, he should be he as a pastor, he should be the one fighting for the member. But here he's telling the member to go to court. If you think that you are right, bring me to court. That you made a mistake. That mistake you made is divine. Okay, now let's go to Master Prophet's video. Okay, this will be the last reaction that we are going to do tonight, but let's quickly go through it.
And the color with only man. Only thing I need, you know, what I never want. Only also get deleted down in the next 53, 54 years. Only also get deleted. And the more when you have deleted,
Anton, I greet you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for coming.
I will not chop it in a line. Only I got working.
Please like the video, guys. Please.
Even agreement. Gatoranya. You don't watch an aka fish. But I don't need to know. And the one and the white or Braga pop and the working no. So the only opportunity anyone without or probably be one we with Mazen and the can. I mean, it's opportunity. What's of some people out? You die in the hammer dog. I can't ask one half. Him nebu amuma. The people give me no legal. Amuma, part of Amuma, put him in 2020. You tell a page, make a part of it. And the part of this caption from 2020. That's what the Chico born pastor, na priest. I don't know evangelist. Nebu go bin ambaka, nandoto. Ha professor, if any man no monari go today. They would go. Then you know. They're in the wall, through we are the church. The slaves they read. The slaves were slaves. When you don't church in it, depending on the nature, because we useless slaves. So somebody have onye no na ya puche itunta na happy anga ureze bụ ma ya no na de kanu ime nga na happy anga no na ndo ọzọ onye ndị nke wetere na Biafra ọ na awu idiot no the useless idiot 1 2 times we make a decision I have to be very careful in saying that. Support to calendar will based on I'm na one day on also and make his best can one day chipota more blessing me okay me but I'm not profitable support canon I'm telling you now maka support them canon you support Simon but them are the people you support this is church
Now, let me say something. You know, why I'm bringing this video is because Master Prophet is making a very, I don't want to use the word big mistake, but he's making mistake. Supporting DOS, for example, you will not have that in your claiming that you think that you have followers, and maybe you may have followers that is bigger than what you are having now. But remember that the subscription you have comes from people that PM said go and follow you. The followers, that the people that subscribe to you now come from that instruction from PM. And people that you see that watches videos of DOS and other people, all you know, their followers and all that, most of them, if you maybe let me say 50 or 60% of their view comes from genuine Biafrans that want to watch that video just to see how foolish they are still sounding, not because none of us are watching that to learn something, but to see what they have said recently, to know what they are talking about and how they're exposing themselves. That's number one. Then he says he says something in this video that people are shouting, we have another leader, and all that. He's actually talking to PM. He's actually talking to Biafra government in exile and Biafrans supporting and singing praise of PM. He don't like it. Why? Why is because Nnamdi Kanu family and like someone like him that is close to the family believed that IPOB or Biafran movement is actually a blessing to them and the family. They don't see it the way Master Kanu is perceiving it, because Master Kanu have made everybody to believe that he's not, eager to enjoy relevance and money. No, that he put more work than what he enjoy, if that makes sense. They don't see it that way. To them, they are seeing it now like it's an opportunity for them or the family or for Master Kanu to excel, without minding what Master Kanu is going through, what is going his, what is not in his mind, the thought, the ideology of him, the way he piloted the whole thing, the way he organized everything, is not what people think. Why do I say so? If I thought they understand what Master Kanu talked about, or his thought, his original belief of Biafra and forming IPOB, if you understand it, if you are following Master Kanu in the past, there's no way you will fault PM in terms of his belief, his tenacity, his readiness. That is what Master Kanu wants. The only difference between Master Kanu and PM is just like individual, like personality, nothing more. But in terms of decision, seriousness, determination, and what gives Mazi Samonekba PM, the strength comes from Mazi Namorikano. You know, when you are following somebody, you know that this person is determined. And if you think or if you want to be relevant in that line, claiming that you are following that person, you must be the same thing that that person is. You must follow what he follows. You must not building kaba. One thing Masakan despises so much is building kaba. No matter how close you are to him, he despises it so much. And those who claim that they are working with him, like even the family, they somehow have this kind of secret feelings and thought that kaba is not bad. It is good. That is different. If not, he will not have. He shouldn't have any problem with PM. Why people are following PM? One of the major reasons people are following him is because we are seeing Mas Namarkana in him. Do you understand? People are seeing Mas Namarkana inside PM, and you from the family, you don't even see it. You think it's all about it must come from us. The same thing that Iken Guru Ago was talking about. If Biafra will come through a Ekperima, let it not come. In fact, we will scatter everything. You will scatter what you have been building, what Masakan have been building, and you say you love Masan Namadokan. I mean, how can you justify that? He said he don't have, he's in his own word, I don't have problem with Samonepa. Before he does, until PM showed him that he don't have this kind of domineering spirit. I want to dominate everywhere. I want to possess. Thank God Masakan is not here. Now I am Doga. That is not the idea of PM. And people understand it very, very, very clear. The reason why people are following him, listening to him, is because we are seeing Masakan in him. If Masakan comes out tomorrow and said that PM is getting it wrong, in fact, he's this, is that, is this, calling him names and insulting him, for example, that means, like me, my personal opinion, I would believe that Masakan will be the most pretentious person ever I have seen in my life. Because one thing is that listening to him and all that, because PM is not violent. That's the one thing people don't understand. PM doesn't enjoy being violent to other people or causing problem. No, but he knows what he wants and he go for it, just like Mazin Namor can. And he's someone that you cannot intimidate easily. You can't intimidate PM. The same thing with Mazin Namor can. Somebody that is not afraid of what you will do or what you will say. As long as he knows that what he's doing is right, he's done by it. What else are you looking for? I don't understand.
But at least I can name, right? Send the number, super chat. Oh, but because of last support, I can calm down. I'm at disadvantage. That's why I'm saying, support. The reason I try to fully support Simon Eba. Hold on, listen.
Now listen.
You know Simon Eba name your name. When you are journey, I say, Naya get with the Biafra. You know, something is no, you know, below the belt. But
when I heard it from him, I was thinking that okay, maybe there's a spiritual meaning attached to what he's saying. Let me hear. The next thing that comes from his mouth will shock you. Listen.
It's the only below the belt I cannot publicly say that's support of Simon Eba. But Simon Eba will win or woman on your own. Or win you. Chicken doesn't matter win you. In fact, the chicken doesn't matter, can say no in you know. Simon Eba may I get with the Biafra. It's the only thing to say no way, I cannot support you. Because when somebody else, that's okay. I got what I want to Simon Eba today. So another person can say, oh, no, you get with this Biafra. We have to be loyal. People are under electricians.
The summary of what he's trying to deviate from now is that you need to be this lawyer that he's talking about is you should not say it that Biafra supposed to come from hand of Mazen Namorgan so that the respect will somehow get to him. That's what he cared for. Not, okay, we have been longing for this Biafran freedom. Let's thank God that somebody is here to give us that Biafra. It's not a must that Biafra must come through Mazen Namorgan. And let me tell you, if PM or whoever, any other person today get Biafra, the source of that Biafra come from Mazen Namorgan. The glory is still go to Mazen Namorgan. I hope you understand what I'm saying. It does not mean that PM, I believe that PM see it that way too. Because if eventually Biafra comes today, do you know that everybody will have starting innovation for Mazen Namorgan? Credit goes to God and respect goes to Mazen Namorgan, which PM is duly representing in every aspect you can think of. Somebody who, do you think that one of the PM is talking about sit at home, sit at home, sit at home, even to the extent that people are using their own platform to criticize PM for insisting on that sit at home? Part of the reason why family of Mazen Namorgan was kicking against it at home is simply because of what this ideology of this in-law. That if PM could not stop sit at home because Mazen Namorgan have said it and he refused to stop it, that simply means that he's no longer taking instruction from Mazen Namorgan. So they care more about the instruction than the result that this thing will give to Biafrans. That is not what it should be. And Mazen Namorgan understand it very, very well. Did you know that if Mazen Namorgan were to be that kind of pomposity and arrogant person that these people are portraying here by telling you that you must come from him, you must stand still until he comes out to give you the Biafra, that is one of the most stupid comments anyone can make. Because you don't wait. How long will you going to wait? How long do you think you can wait? If Biafra is coming through PM, what do you think Biafra will do to Mazen Namorgan? Because PM got to the level, the agitation, is operating. They are in this level they are today because of the condition and whereabouts of Mazen Namorgan. Biafrans who love Mazen Namorgan don't hesitate to join anything that will free him. So 99% of Biafrans believe that PM will release Mazen Namorgan than any of you criticizing his activities. The only person that will push it out is PM through the activities of Biafrans under his watch, which he himself has distanced Mazen Namorgan. Of course, you have to distance Mazen Namorgan because he's not in contact with any of them. And after all, they do monitor the conversation, right? Let's continue listening to this man.
Master Prophet, Master Prophet,
He's missing this kind of relevance. He wants it.
Inside of Chiketosium no-go area. The so Chiketosium also. In an IPOB today. Also, we need a or Chiketosium no Jofo, Cosrea.
Okay.
Yawan ha the lawyer to Nnamdi Ezebino, I know him when IPOB got it intact. So how can I work with Chikedosim? It's impossible. It is impossible for me to work with my friend Simon Eba. Because maybe I watch. I don't know, man. I watch and I'm going to get with the Biafran. I don't come in but I know can so in
You're already acting on it, and they're saying that you don't want to say something that somebody did not say. You're already acting on it.
No, I get what I have Biafran. So, people go, you want to equal, I can't not gossip, I get with the Biafran. But I don't know, Dr. Panatona said, now someone back at what I have Biafran. Now, I lay here up here. What no peer get what I have Biafran. And I hope I couldn't go to Pico and say, no, that I'm working together with Nnamdi Kanu. That's Nnamdi.
You see the problem. The reason why PM is not much emphasizing on, no, I'm working with Mazen Magano, because he don't want to the activities of the federal government in exile to be transferred to Mazen Magano where they kept him. But due to your quest of power, your much interest, you put much interest on, making sure that this thing, move around the family, like inherited property and all that. You fail to understand the reason behind it. All of you shouting this, Mazen, keep the structure, maintain structure. You people don't even love Mazen to compare the love of PM to him. And I believe the only person that will understand those things easier is Mazen Kanu. So if you support Mazen Kanu, PM, that's a good thing. But if you don't, maintain your lane and stop deceiving people as well. You understand? What PM is doing is the right thing, and I don't think if you are telling yourself the truth, you should have a problem about that.
That means no, and for me,
no, you are wrong.
That's why I cannot support. I cannot. Time on never fully, but then you work on one name. But I cannot support him based on that. And on the side of Canada, how many of them now watch my video? How many of them now watch my video? How many of them they send them or title offering or whatever, or even thank you, say thank you. So basically on the losing side, or at least Mama is in the kind of opera. I'm on the losing side. Feel like make a man discipline of opera and on a music.
Amen.
Because I like our against again with civil war. The civil war when he got last 1, 2, 3 years, we can last 50 years before somebody will arise. Then again. But as I speak right now, the possible Nnamdi Kanu, there are possibilities. Walk with him. Like you will be wounded. You will be wounded. You wounded. When you're not one day, you did not happen and now open one day. Take a dozen and do, those shots. They put you could not support it. Honey, wounded. Because 95% of them they are against Nnamdi Kanu. 95% of them they are against the decision of Nnamdi Kanu. So ready. And they have declared it that they have a new leader. South Africa, you call it Ikenga, that they have a new leader, no, that the Funo America, Dr. Suvike, they have a new leader, and they have been saying that they have a new leader. That's why they are trying to hijack accounts everywhere in the world, because they have a new leader.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. We are going to end it now. I am somehow very, very sleepy. I need to rest. Master Prophet, don't ever support MNK when he was outside. He was angry that the MNK did not appoint him or family member in a position. If that is true, then that means he's very crazy. Master Gandhi is somebody that have honor and he worked for it. Okay, so he cannot just jeopardize the respect that people are giving to him just for should I say peanuts. It doesn't work that way. Okay, guys, like I said, thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful night rest and see you again tomorrow. Before you go, subscribe to my channel, like this video. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful night. Bye bye all. Chineye MC said, God bless and strengthen you. Amen. My you too, my sister. So guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful night rest. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.